on your faces, and I think your smiling faces expecting from us only one thing, and that is, sir, पाठीवर हात ठेवून फक्त लढ म्हणा, पाठीवर हात ठेवून फक्त लढ म्हणा. थँक यू व्हेरी मच. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable support and consideration shown to the alumni. I now request our ex-principal, first principal, Principal Payangle sir, to guide us on this occasion.
Deputy General Manager of HL Division, all the principals who succeeded me, all the teachers, that was the main faculty that I had, and my great strength, that is my children. I am indeed overwhelmed. I am little suffocated. I don't know I will be able to speak properly or not. But one thing is certain. His principal was not great. Others were not great. Teachers were not great. Well, you students are great. Because of you brought the pride, prestige and glory to the school. That is why we are greater. Let me tell you one incident. My daughter and my son-in-law called me at Abu Dhabi last February. I went there. Some of the past students came to know that I had come to Abu Dhabi, and from Dubai there was a phone call to my daughter. Today he is there, Sibu Nainan. He is there. There was a phone call. He said, we came to know that the principal is here. My daughter said, yes, he's there. No, I would like to meet him. Come anytime. No, not there. We like to meet only in Dubai. Because Dubai, we have got so many past students of HL. And we have got a sort of association there. So nice, I was so overwhelmed. So, okay, you decide the day and I will be coming. Let me tell you, the distance between Abu Dhabi and Dubai was 300 kilometers. They arranged for the transport to and fro. They had the felicitation arranged in Star Hotel. And let me tell you, they have given me a very prestigious, this Rado watch, wristwatch. What a great thing a past students union can do. That means they have not forgotten me even after 29 years of my retirement. This shows that, let me tell you, one of them said, sir, you have not given us only the bookish knowledge, but you have molded us to be the citizens of the world. Because now the alumni is all over the world. And because of the alumni is all over the world, there are small groups already in the name of alumni working very hard. Even Bangalore is there, all places. So tomorrow, anytime, we'll have to go here, there, no doubt. That is why whatever he had said, that alumni that are molded to be the citizen of the world, we have become now the citizens of the world. And the credit goes to, right from the first the president, Dr. Wahab, Jayant Wahab, Dr. Jayant Wahab, and right from the beginning, entire team sitting here, they were there to give me the backing. I was sitting in Goa, having on the telephone call, and have talk with them, and they used to do the needful. Now, no need to talk. They are masters of alumni. They are the masters of alumni. Now, another thing I want to say, this school has not grown overnight. When I had come over here, the strength was 620. Let me be. And that was also in type 5. All mucky, mud, this. So, third day when I was called by then General Manager, Air Commodore Bhaskaran, I said, how is the school? I said, sorry, it is not a school. School is yet to be constructed. No, construction is going on. Then I said, I can tell you the school will function, only you will be giving me that building ready by Dasara. That is on Dasara Day, 1st October 1970. It was not that ready, but he called the contractor next day and made that all that part ready on the 1st October 1970. And we entered here. I said, now you can ask me about the school. School will run with top quality. Not only quality, we have got the teachers who will be dedicating to the children's ability to be double, triple and quadruple. Provided that you give me infrastructure, another demand. So he did not wait for this. We 4 people were sent to Bombay, spot purchases were made and things were bought. Now unless this HL management had done this, I don't think the school could have been functioning that. So I give full credit first to the HL management to come forward to help in every respect. I give you one instance. Some of the people may be here. We had floodlit physical display. I had done it earlier in Bombay 3 times. The 4th time I wanted, here is Mr. Pawar. I really made him slop along with Joshi and all other teachers who were staying here till 5 o'clock and doing the work. Wonderful work was done. That time the chief guest was the Vice Chancellor of Bombay University, T.K. Tope. He said, in my life I have not seen such a program. This is nothing but fantasy. Now this could be done only with the help of electricity department, then civil department, all departments of HL. Had it not been for the HL's cooperation, not only cooperation, total support, this would not have come to reality. Another thing, now yesterday